another day of class. Remember that in our spelling class, we are working with our spelling list number 20 and we are traveling around the world. Today is Wednesday, August 9, 2020. And what we are going to do is that we are going to continue writing our sentences, of course. So, our awesome words this week are on book page 38. There you can find the list number 20. Okay, let's continue. We're going to continue from sentence number 11 on. So, here we have the next country that we're going to visit is Brazil. So, my church support missionaries in Brazil. So, Brazil in Spanish is Brasil. And here we have the flag, and here we have the food of Brazil. So, you're going to copy this sentence in your notebook. The next one is, what is the other country that we're going to visit? Egypt. Yes. Welcome to Egypt. The children of Israel were slaves in Egypt. Yes. So Egypt is a country that you can find on the Bible. And Egypt in Spanish is Egipto. Here I have a picture of the flag and here of the food of Egypt. The next one. So, here I have, there are many mountains and rivers in North America. So we have North America, and in Spanish is Norte America. So North America is a part of the American continent. Then we have South America. South America. Maria used to live in South America. So here we have the map of South America and it's the other part of America. Our next sentence is number 15. Many immigrants to America came across the Atlantic Ocean. Many immigrants to America came across the Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean in Spanish is Océano Atlántico. Then we have the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is Océano Pacífico. Copy these sentences in your notebook, of course. The next one. Here I have Japanese food is delicious. Japanese in Spanish means Japonés. And here I have some pictures of Japanese food. For example, sushi and some eggs with some noodles and things like those. The next one. English is spoken in many parts of the world. English, it's a language, English. Ricardo speaks Spanish. Spanish is another language, Español. The next sentence is, my brother is learning Chinese in high school. So here I have a picture of Chinese language and here I have another picture of Chinese food. And in Spanish means Chino. So we have now our 20 sentences. And your homework is to continue with the flags that are missing. That was everything for today's spelling class. I hope you enjoyed to travel around the world with me during this week. See you until next class. I'm sending you hugs and kisses and a lot of blessings from the Lord.